Alright, a couple of months ago I did a review on this cheap dash cam made by On, and that video ended up getting a lot of views. It's getting a bunch of views now and a lot of questions about how do I view my footage if something happens. So I'll go ahead and make a video about that. So a lot of accessory ports don't power on until you put your car in the on position. Some stay on all the time even if your car's off. So let's go ahead and just plug this into my jump box here. That'll simulate your car's accessory port. So I plugged it in and now it's filming. As soon as it gets power, it defaults to filming right away. So let's say you're driving down the road, something happens and you need to save the footage. What you do is you press this orange button right here and that saves footage. That way when it loop records, it's not going to erase it. See that key right there? Key right there. So that footage is saved, but it's still recording. So here's how to get your footage. So flip this over, and to stop filming, you press the middle button that says OK. There, now it's not filming anymore. So to get your footage, you press the mode button right here. Second to the last button. Press it again. And there you go, there's your footage right here. And to cycle through it, just press the arrows. See, here's old footage I saved for my review. And then to play it, press the middle button that says OK. And there you go, footage is playing right now. So that's it. And then to go back to the film mode, you just pressed the mode button. Mode. Press it again, mode. Now you're back in camera mode. See, there you go, that's it. And to film again, just press the middle button that says OK, and now it's filming again. Hope that helps you guys out. So if you want to view your footage on your laptop, let's go ahead and unplug this and then it'll turn off. There, now it's off. Just take the memory card out and put it in your laptop. That's it. See, just use this in your laptop and you could view the footage on your laptop. I still use laptops. Do people still use laptops? Alright, hope that helps you guys out. If this has helped you guys out, give this video a thumbs up. Really helps my channel, and then I could get more cheap tech to review.